of Vyanjanasandhi consolidated. So in this, there are again two parts, as we have seen in other cases, in other sandhis. We have Sandhi Karanam and Sandhi Chedaha. So in Sandhi Karanam, you have to join all the sandhis. In Sandhi Chedaha, you have to split all the sandhis. And here, this is a consolidated exercise. All the sandhi splits will be given, or all the sandhis will be done. In Sandhi Karanam, all the splits will be given. You have to do all the sandhis, whichever is possible and whichever is apt. Similarly, in Sandhi Cheda, you have to join all the sandhis and tell the final form. Even in Sandhi Karanam, you have to tell the final form. That is, you may tell the steps, but still you have to arrive at the final form. That is the final sandhi, after which there can be there can't be any other. That should be told by everyone. Similarly, in Sandhi Cheda, you have to tell the last form. For one sandhi, I will tell and show you. Similarly, you have to do for the rest of the sandhi. At the end of this session, you will be able to learn how to split all Vyanjana sandhis in a verse. Till now, you are seeing only the sandhi split or sandhi being done for the particular sandhi which was being discussed. But now we'll actually see how the sandhis are done while reading Ramayana or Bhagavad. So this is the first sloka. Abhikalam tatah prapya te bodhi bhavanat syutam pitrupayita mahim punyam terurikshumatim nadim. Here in the first verse, in the first line, Abhikalam tatah. First, we get the Nuswara sandhi. That is, in the place of Makara, we get Anuswara. Abhikalam tatah. Then, by Parasavarana sandhi, we get the Nakaradesha. That is, Abhikalan tatah. That is the final form. Abhikalan tatah. After this, there is no sandhi possible. Now, in the second highlighted word, Bodhi Bhavanat Yutam. So here, Bodhi Bhavanat Yutam. So here, first Jasta sandhi occurs. Bodhi Bhavanad Yutam. Then we get Shutta sandhi. In place of Dakara, we get Jakara. Bodhi Bhavanaj Yutam. Then we get the Chatta sandhi. That is the Chakara Adesha in place of Jakara. So we get the final form as Bodhi Bhavanat Yutam. In the third highlighted word, Pitrupayita Mahim Punyam. The Makara is converted into Anuswara initially. Then we get the Parasavarana sandhi. That is, in place of Anuswara, we get Makara Desha. So the final form is Pitrupayita Mahim Punyam. In the fourth word, that is the fourth place of sandhi, Punyam Teru Rikshumatim. The Makara is first converted into Anuswara. Then we get the Parasavarana sandhi, that is, in place of Anuswara, we get Nakara Desha, that is, Punyan Teruhu. Sorry, there is a mistake in animation. So we get Punyan Teru Rikshumatim. And in the last part, Teru Rikshumatim Nadim, Makara is converted into Anuswara. In place of Anuswara, we get Nakara Desha by Parasavarana sandhi. Teru Rikshumatim Nadim is the final form. So in the second line, there are three sandhis occurring. If we have to join all the sandhis and tell the whole line together, then we get Pitrupaita mahim punyan teruriktomatin nadim. This is given in this slide. Hope this is clear. You just have to recollect all the Sandhi rules. Now, I'll lower everyone's hands. Those who would like to answer, kindly raise your hands. This is comparatively easier. Let's see. Venkatasubramanian Gopala. Venkateswaran Gopala.
Antarikshecha vak utta pratima manushi khila. Evame tarapate dharmena talayatam. Antarikshe vagutta. Vag curve becomes ga, isn't it?
Correct. Ka becomes ga. Which is the Sandhi?
A name I don't remember, sir. Vagutta. Vagutta.
You should be able to tell the Sandhi because you have already told the answer perfectly. Just think about it. In place of first letter, we are getting the third letter. Which is that Sandhi?
It is Parasavarna.
No.
Ukta. Purva Rupa Sandhi. I don't remember
in the first letter, we are getting third letter as the Adesha.
Yes.
For example, Tat Agachati. Tad Agachati.
Tad Agachati.
What is the Sandhi name?
Ta becomes the, that is Taddi. That is, what is that name? The name only I don't remember, but then Taddi
in the exams, that is usually in other exams, usually they ask to split the Sandhi or join the Sandhi and write the Sandhi name also. Sandhi. So it is important to know the Sandhi name also. And yes, even if we are not attempting any exams, we should know the Sandhi name, because by the remembrance of the Sandhi name, we'll be able to split Sandhis in few circumstances. With experience, you will face that.
Yes.
Anyhow, so here it is Jastra Sandhi. Jastra refers to the third letter. That is Ja, Ba, Ga, Da, Da. So that is Jastra Sandhi. We get Vagukta Pratima Manushi. Tadanantaram.
Eva Metat Narapate. Eva Metan Narapate. That is doubling of him. Now.
What is the Sandhi name?
Here again, see the Sandhi name, I have to familiarize more.
Let it be. The Sandhi name is Anunasika Sandhi. But what happens is, you can't do the Anunasika Sandhi directly. There is another Sandhi which occurs before that. Which is that Sandhi?
Eva Metan Narapati.
First of all, I didn't tell the main part itself. So these slokas we have already seen in the previous Sandhi classes. I have taken those slokas only and given to split all the Sandhis. So this was given in the Anunasika Sandhi, maybe, or just a Sandhi example. So if it was given for Anunasika Sandhi, it would have been given as Eva Metad Narapate. So that Eva Metad Narapate. How do we get that Dakara?
That is Jastra Sandhi.
Uttam. So first we do Evam Etad Narapate. Then we do the Anunasika Sandhi. That is evametannarapate.
Evametannarapate.
Samyak. Dhanyavadah.
I will familiarize with the names.
Dhanyavadah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, I will. This you are able to do, but then this name it comes automatically. But then the name Jastva, then Chustva, then see like that. That name I have to correlate.
Correct.
Yes.
That is important also. So
Important. Yes.
focus on the names also.
Yes.
Dhanyavadah. Samyuktam. Evametannarapate. Next, Venkatasubramanian Dhanyavadah. Ravichandar, yes.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sure. Vaikarikas taijascha tamasaschet yaham trivrit tad matrendriya manasam karanam chit achit mayaha. Now, in the first Vaikarikas tejascha, should I split that because it is in red, or I should go to the next one and only
the blue highlighted
blue
word.
only? Okay, because
that is
one
the place of Sandhi. Yes.
Okay.
I think there is plus symbol also, right? So there is the plus symbol wherever you have to join the Sandhi.
Okay. Okay.
You are easy. I have already provided the plus mark.
Okay.
Just you have to focus on that part.
Okay, sir. Tamasas chet yaham plus trivrit. Now this aham becomes first anuswaram, and that anuswaram becomes the parasavarana of ta vargam. So ahandrivrit it becomes.
Okay. Aham trivrit. What is the Sandhi name?
First is Anunasika Sandhi. Aham Trivrit becomes Aham the Anunasikam. Then that Anunasikam becomes Parasavarana Sandhi of Ta Vargam. So that then Tat Matra Indriya Manasam. So Tat Matra, Tat becomes Tad. That is, I think, Jeshta Sandhi. The It becomes Id, but already you have given that Id. Then that becomes Id becomes here It when it joins with Ma, always it becomes An, like Bandhanat Mrityoho, Bandhanan Mrityoho. I think that is applicable here, and Tan Matrendriya Manasam, it should become, I think.
Tan, correct. What is the Sandhi name?
In fact, I have to only presumably answer. I don't know for perfect.
It's okay.
So kindly guide me.
Definitely.
For Ma, Da becoming Na, is it something like Adesha?
Yes. Which Adesha?
I don't know. Sorry. Only by usage I am able to presume the correct answer, but I am not able to.
The Sandhi names is related to the Karya of the Sandhi. Say Jasva refers to the third letters of the Sandhi. In Jasta Sandhi, we get the Adesha third letters. Similarly here, Tanmatra, we are getting Nakara. What is Nakara called as?
Nakara is also Anunasikam? Or?
Exactly. So the Sandhi name is?
Anunasik Sandhi.
That's it. Okay. So you can figure out, or you can infer from the Sandhi Karya which is happening. But you
Yes,
should
yes,
know
yes.
a little bit
Yes.
for doing it.
Okay. Tanmatrendriya manasam. Now manasam
Anatha.
karanam. Now that ma becomes first anuswaram, and then that anuswaram becomes parasavaranam, manasankaranam. Nga, because ka vargam anunasikam is nga. So it is on manasankaranam. So that is Parasavarna Sandhi or Anunasika Sandhi. What should I refer here?
Whatever you one of the options which you told is correct. Which option did you tell? Please repeat.
First I told Manasam becomes Anunasikam, and
first it doesn't become Anunasikam.
Anuswaram.
So what is the Sandhi name there?
Anunasika Sandhi.
No, it becomes Anuswara, not Anunasika.
Anuswara. I'm sorry, Anuswara.
So the Sandhi's name is?
Anuswara Sandhi.
That's it. Anuswara Sandhi.
Anuswara Sandhi. Anuswara Sandhi.
Correct.
So Manasam Ardha Makaram becomes Anuswaram. So it becomes Anuswara Sandhi. Anuswaram becomes Parasavarana because of a Ka Vargam, Manasankaranam. Parasavarana Sandhi.
Very good.
Karanam Chit. Once again, Karanam becomes Anuswara Sandhi, Karanam, and then that when it becomes joins with Cha Vargam, Cha Vargasya Parasavarana Anunasikam is Nya. So Karananjit. First Anuswara Sandhi, second is Parasavarana Sandhi. Karananjit.
First is Anuswara Sandhi, second is
Parasavarana Sandhi.
Parasavarana. Karananchit. Very, very
Karananchit.
good.
Then Chit, Achit, Chit, Achit. When Chit Takaram, Ardha Takaram meets end, then it becomes Chid. Then that Da plus A becomes Chida Chit. Chida Chit. So this should be called Jashta Sandhi because Ta becomes Da.
Very good.
Jashta Sandhi. Chida Chit.
Very good.
Achit Mayaha. Once again, Ta becomes Na. So because of Ma coming next, so that cheap or rather Ta becomes D, which is Jashta Sandhi. Then D becomes Nakaram, which is Anuswaram. So Anuswara Sandhi, Achinmayaha.
Now,
so shall I join everything?
Okay, join everything. I have one question after that.
Tanmatrendriya manasankaranam chidachinmayaha.
Very good. Now, so you told Anunasika Sandhi is occurring between Tadmatra and similarly in Chidmaja. Now, my question is it optional or is it compulsory? Can we keep it as Tadmatra only, or should we tell Tanmatra?
I think we should always say if you give one matra gap between the two, then it is Tat Matrendriya Manasam. Otherwise, Tanmatrendriya Manasam, if you join, this much only I know. So if you join, it is compulsory, is my presumption.
So what happens is, you are right, but again, when we Tadmatra, first of all, between Tadmatra, so there is Samhita, that is how to tell, a Samhita has occurred, and that Samhita is Nitya. So we have to tell it together. But when we tell it together, the Anunasika Sandhi in this case is mandatory. The rule for Anunasika Sandhi is Yaronunasike Anunasiko Va tells that the Anunasika Sandhi is optional. But in this case, it is mandatory because we have another rule, Pratyaya Bhashajam Nityam. Whenever we have Pratyaya on the right hand side, then we have to do the Anunasika Sandhi. There is no option. So again, for now, I'm just asking the Sandhi names and going forward. But actually, while telling the Sandhi names, or while splitting or while joining the Sandhis, you have to tell the rules of that Sandhi also. If you say Jasva, you have to tell the rules of Jasva. On Purva Varna, on the left hand side, you should have so and so letter. On the right hand side, you should have so and so letter. In place of Purva Varna, we get so and so Adesha. This is how you have to tell actually. Only then you will learn how the Sandhi is occurring, and you learn actually how all the Sandhis occur together. That is the order of Sandhis and how to interpret these slokas, etc.
Till now, by from a user perspective, by learning chanting, etc., presumptively we have been following these things. By and large, somewhere reasonably we are correct. But by attending your classes, now we have full clarity on this, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, only one question more I want to ask you, if you can kindly permit me. Samskritam becomes Samskritam. Yam for Mumbai, Makaram. Samskritam. Now, North Indians say, since Anuswaram could be born out of Na or Ma, so North Indians generally tend towards Nagpur. So they are telling Sanskrit. That is why the English word Sanskrit comes, which we are mispronouncing as Sanskrit. Because somebody in Kashi was always telling Sanskrit. And people say there is a third thing also, Sanskrit, Hung for Kunkumam and the Ka Vargasya Anunasikam. Sanskrit also in Maharashtra side somebody is using because Sa is a blind, it's like a non-conductor, but after Sa comes Ka, Kritam. So when you join the Anuswaram with Ka, then it becomes Ka Vargatya Anunasikam, which is Parasavarna. So Sanskritam. So three ways of pronouncing it, people are telling, sir. Can you explain it for this, whether my assumptions are correct or what your this thing?
I'll answer the question in two parts. First of all, the first pronunciation. Actually, in fact, all the three pronunciations you told are wrong. So as to say,
okay.
From the Shiksha part, Shiksha perspective, if you see, first of all, Anuswara is born out of Makara in this example, true. That is, the Anuswara is coming because there was a Makara in the previous state. But there is a difference between the pronunciation of Anuswara and Makara. It is Anuswara is not Samskrita. I pronounce Samskrita, but it is actually not Samskrita. It is a faulty pronunciation. But again, don't ask me what is the correct pronunciation of Anuswara. For that, we have to see the Shiksha Shastra, and it takes a long time. But for now, we'll consider that as Samskrita. Samskrita is right, is what we'll consider and move forward. So the second pronunciation which you told, Sanskrita, that is totally wrong. There can't be Sanskrita form at all. So due to the regional language influence, we are getting that kind of pronunciation. That is, we are seeing that kind of pronunciation in the North India. And it is not only North India. In South India also, I have seen many people pronouncing as Sanskrita. It's not Sanskrita, it's Samskrita. Anyway, the third pronunciation which you told, there also, it is not Kunkuma Nga. It is not Kakha. It's Sa-a. That Akara is Anunasika. It is not followed by Nakara. So that inference was wrong, but your point is right. The third pronunciation is also right. That is, Sanskrita is also right. That is what we studied just today. The two forms is one is with Anuswara, the other is with Anunasika. that is the akara is anunaska. So we get Samskrita or Sanskrita. Both are right. The Sanskrita pronunciation is totally wrong.
Because many words like that, wherever Anuswaram is coming, North Indians are pronouncing like Samskar. We say Samskaram irkano, Samskara beko. They say Samskar chahiye. Logon ko Samskar seekna chahiye. So everywhere, wherever Anuswaram is coming, they tend to use the N sound mostly. The N sound mostly. So that's why, sir. Even in Vedic shlokas, so many places they are using nakara. Wherever Anuswara comes, by default they use nakara. More of nakara, or rather I will say. Thank you,
But
sir.
that is actually not right. Okay, dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Okay. Oh, I didn't show the answer. So these are the answers. Tamasastedyahan trivrit is the first. Tanmatra or tadmatra. Tadmatra is not there. Tanmatra and tanmatrendriya manasankaranam. Then karananchit, then chidachit, then achinmajaha. If you tell together, it becomes tanmatrendriya manasankaranam chidachinmajaha. That's the final. Uttamam. Samyuktam. Okay. Next is you have it. Vaishali Bhagiji.
नमो नमः महोदय. सूत्राणि न जानामि महोदय, प्रयत्नं करोमि. सन्धिं
चिन्ता नास्ति, सूत्रं न आवश्यकं. सन्धेः नाम वक्तव्यं, तदपि न ज्ञायते चेत् मास्तु चिन्ता. अहं तत्र साहाय्यम् अवश्यं करोमि, तत्र चिन्ता मास्तु.
श्लोकः वक्तव्यः वा?
श्लोकम् उक्त्वा तदनन्तरं सन्धिच्छेदं वा सन्धिकरणं कुर्वन्तु.
न ह्यब्मयानि तीर्थानि न देवा मृत् शिलामयाः ते पुनन्त्युरुकालेन दर्शनात् एव साधवः. ह्यब्मयानि ह्यब्मयानि बकारात् अनन्तरं अग्रे अनुनासिक वर्णः, तो ह्यम्मयानि इति अनुनासिक संधिः वा?
अनुनासिक संधिः सम्यक्, वेरि गुड्.
तत्र म अस्ति, किन्तु तत्र तृतीयवर्णः एव बकारः, अतः जष्ट्वस्य
प्रथमवर्णः भवेत्, तदनन्तरं तृतीयः जातः.
जष्ट्वेन जातः.
सत्यम्. एकं पुनः दर्शयामि. So this is how it should have been.
तद् तो आदौ जष्ट्व भवति, पकारस्य स्थाने बकारादेशः तृतीयवर्णः, अनन्तरम् अनुनासिकवर्णः आदेशः, तो जष्ट्व अनन्तरम् अनुनासिक संधि ह्यम्मयानि. पुनः मया इति अस्ति, अतः अनुनासिक नित्यं भवति.
सम्यक्.
मृत् शिलामयाः स्त इति भवति, तवर्गस्य त अग्रे शकारः, अतः श्चुत्वेन मृच्च शिलामयाः इति भवति. आदौ श्चुत्व संधि मृच्च शिलामयाः, अनन्तरं
आदौ जस्त्वं करणीयम्. आदौ
आं महोदय, क्षम्यतां. तो प्रथमं जष्ट्व मृद् शिलामयाः दकार, अनन्तरं श्चुत्वेन मृज् शिलामयाः वा,
सम्यक्,
जकारादेशः, मृज् शिलामयाः, अनन्तरं शकारः अस्ति, अतः चर्त्वं भवति वा महोदय? मृच्
सम्यक्, वेरि गुड्.
तो मृच् शिलामया चर्त्वेन, अनन्तरं छत्वं मृच् शिलामया. छत्वं भवति वा तद् विकल्पेन इति चिन्तयामि।
छत्वं विकल्पेन सत्यं।
तो छत्वं भवति चेत्
छत्वं क्रियते।
तो मृच्छिलामयाः इति अन्तिमम्।
सम्यक्, वेरि गुड्। मृच्छिलामयाः। अनन्तरं तृतीयं पदं
दर्शनात् एव। तो आदौ जष्ट्वेन तकारस्य स्थाने दकारः आदौ परे स्वरः अस्ति, दर्शनादेव इति जष्ट्वसन्धि। तदेव खलु
दर्शनादेव जष्ट्वसन्धि।
तो पुनः श्लोकः वक्तव्यः?
No. You need not tell anything. I have heard it, but I am unable to click on this slide. Just a second. Whatever you told us, right? Just a second.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः। बहु उपकारी आसीत् वर्गः महोदय, बहु सम्यक्, बहु धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः। But this is nothing actually. We have just seen 20%. Even here there are swara sandhis and visarga sandhis. Just to brush up the vyanjana sandhis, we are giving this. Anyhow.
आमाम्, किन्तु तत्र मृत् शिलामयाः इदानीं किञ्चित् सम्यक् अवगतं कथं स्टेप्स् आगच्छन्ति इति सोपानानि।
That I will be telling in the end also about this. धन्यवादः. So these are the answers. Yammayani, Mrithilamadaha, and Darshanadeva. Since we are running low on time, I have to do the Sandhi Cheda also, and Sandhi Cheda takes a little bit more time. So I will just run through this. Afterwards, I will upload the presentation. You may go through this. This also will just directly go to the Sandhi Cheda part, because this is where we find it difficult to split Sandhis, and the Sandhi Cheda is the real life example. That is, this is the example we see in Ramayana or Bhagavata. We are given slokas like this. We have to split Sandhis to read in an efficient manner. So since that is the case, we will go through the Sandhi Cheda. Here also, I had prepared for, I think, 6 or 8 Sandhi Cheda, but we may not have so much time. We have to take questions also. So we will see 2 or 3. Then I will upload the slides. You may see it. And after we finish all the Sandhis, that is, after this class, we are left with Visarga Sandhis. And before Visarga Sandhis, we have to do the order of Sandhis. So after order of Sandhis, we have to do Visarga Sandhis. And after Visarga Sandhis, we will be splitting all the Sandhis like this. So we will have 3 or 4 classes dedicated for this exercise only. So need not worry, we will cover all the shlokas which we have seen in the end. Now, Kanapriya Bhagini.
Hello. Sir, I have already typed in. I'll have to take your leave today. Since we were just running through, I thought, yeah. So,
okay.
All right. Thank you.
Dhanyawad. I will lower everyone's hands again. Those who would like to tell the answer, kindly raise your hand. I think only 1 or 2 have raised your hands. Is it that difficult? Now people are raising. Gayatri Bhagini.
I can only try, Mahodaya.
Definitely.
Siddhartha pitaram vrittantasmin kale pyupasthite preta-karyeshu sarveshu samskarisyanti bhumipam. So, pitaram vrittantasmin kale api upasthite is the split.
Okay.
That's
We
so,
need not split swara sandhis, but okay.
okay.
That's the correct split. Okay.
So pitaram vrittantasmin. So there anunasika sandhi has happened.
Anunasika sandhi,
Anuswara sandhi. I don't know.
Anuswara had occurred. After that, there is another sandhi. We are getting wa sound in the middle. How does that come?
Because
it is similar to the paravarna.
Yeah.
So what is the sandhi name?
Parasavarna sandhi.
Exactly. Parasavarna. So if parasavarna has to occur, what should be on the left hand side?
It has to be vakara. Only then
On the left hand side.
Anuswara should be there. Makara.
Very good. So to Anuswara exist, we should first do the Anuswara sandhi.
Right.
So what is the final split?
Pitaram
Vritta.
with a makara. Vrittantasmin kale.
Is there any other sandhi? One is Pitaram Vritta. You have already told. Is there any other sandhi?
Vritta. I'm not sure. Antasmin kale.
Okay, I will tell where is the sandhi. You have to tell the split. Vrittantasmin. There exists a sandhi. What is the split?
Vrittan and tasmin.
Yes.
Is the split correct? Okay.
How to split it?
Vrittan with a nakara on the left hand side and tasmin on the right hand side.
We already have it. If we split?
Yeah. Makara vrittam.
Makara. Very
makara
good.
will get a nakara adesha.
Is it? Makara directly gets nakara adesha?
No, anuswara will happen and then the anuswara will get a nakara adesha there.
By which sandhi?
Anunasika sandhi, because nakara is an
In Anunasika sandhi, on the left hand side, we will not have anuswara. If anuswara is getting converted into the fifth letter, what is the sandhi? In Pitaram Vritta, you have already told.
Did I?
Sorry?
Pitaram Vritta.
In Pitaram plus Vritta, what are the two sandhis which you told?
Anuswara, makara will get, and anuswara agama. And anuswara will get an purva savarna adesha.
Purva savarna or parasavarna?
Parasavarna, sorry. So here also parasavarna will come then if vrittam. So makara will get an anuswara agama, and then parasavarna sandhi will happen then.
Very good. Very good. Samyam. So after that, there is no sandhi. I will only tell, but from next example onwards, I will not tell where is the possibility of sandhi. And this is actually the shloka we just saw in the today's sandhi. So in the second line, we have already seen the sandhi happening. That is samskarisyanti.
Yeah.
Samskarisyanti. Dhanyavadaha. Samyakam. So like this, only when you tell, you will get to know the sandhis better. So I request everyone to participate in such discussions so that you get benefited. I see very less people raising their hands. Yes, splitting of Sandhi is so difficult. It's actually not difficult. You just have to think where is the possibility of Sandhi and what is the split. That's it. To look, it may seem it is difficult, but it is not actually. Pungodi Hariharan.
Mahodaya. Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Kachet twan pitrun matrur kurun pitru samanapi vrittamscha tat vaityamscha brahmanamschabi manyase. Atra pitrun kachet devan. Kachet plus devan. Kachet jastva santi. Kachet takaram. Takarasya pradama varna. Takaram kachet plus devan. Kachetvan.
Kachit Devan. Uttam. What is the Sandhi?
Kachit plus Devan.
What is the Sandhi?
Jastva Sandhi. Justvam.
Just. Very good.
Sandhi.
Next.
Vrittams cha. Vrittam Anuswara Sandhi. Vrittam is cha.
Anuswara Sandhi. No, it is not Anuswara Sandhi.
Strutva Sandhi.
What is the split first?
Vrittan plus cha.
Okay. Split is correct. So Vrittan plus cha. So now, if we consider it is Anuswara Sandhi, we should get just the Anuswara. But here we see Sha also in between. And first of all, Anuswara doesn't come in place of Makara. That also we should remember. Stutva has occurred, but to Stutva to occur, what should be the Purvarna?
Purvarna should be Sakaraka.
Sakaraha. Very good. How did that Sakara come?
Visarga.
No, you told Vriddhan plus Cha. There is no Visarga. But while splitting, you are telling there was a Sakara to get this Chutta Sandhi. So how did that Sakara come?
Takaraka becomes Takaraka becomes Chakaraka becomes Takaraka. Takaraka becomes Chakaraka. Vrittans.
No. See, what did you tell? The split is Vriddhan Cha. The final split is Vriddhan plus Cha. Right? So in the Sandhi, in the shloka given, it is given Vriddhamscha. There you told Chutta has also occurred. First Chutta to occur, the Purvarna should be Sakara.
Shakara.
So Paravarna is Chakara. That is Cha is already there. So if we split in that step, Vriddhams Cha. And the final split is Vriddhan Cha. How did Vriddhan Cha become Vriddhams Cha? What is the Sandhi occurring there? The Sandhi which we saw yesterday. What is that Sandhi? No, which is the Sandhi we saw yesterday. No. We didn't see Purvasavarna. We saw the Purvasavarna exercises, but we saw another Sandhi predominantly. We studied a new Sandhi yesterday. Which was that Sandhi? Correct. Sattva Sandhi. Very good. We studied Sattva Sandhi. So this is an example of Sattva. Okay. You have told the second word. The third and fourth word are similar. There is no.
Vaityamscha.
Same. Like Vruddhamscha only. So there is nothing unique in that. Okay.
Brahmana.
Brahmana. Dhanyavadaha. With this, we'll wind up the exercises. There are maybe another 2 or 3 or maybe 4. I will upload it as the. Okay, I will upload it as homework. That is, I will remove all the answers and upload it. Everyone, please try on your own and see if you can arrive at the answers properly. Then I will upload the answers also separately. So you can see the answer PDF and see whether you have arrived at the right answer or not. Okay. We'll end the class today here.